if I do this, is that line there?
No.
It's a monkey, yes. So, what I'm going to do is take lines. We'll start with this line here. And that's going to come down here like that. We've got the monkey's nose. Going to add in some notes. And we might as well throw in a beautiful little, just a constant tremolo, please. And can you do me some arpeggios on C major? Thank you. And then I need to add in, just start adding in, it already looks like Scarlet, I think. Someone said no. Well, I'll just start like I always do. I'll start with this horrid line, I think it's... And we'll add in your nose. So could you please play that, Lorna? This is Scarlet the Mouse.